The 2025 Volkswagen ID.2 is shaping up to be one of the most highly anticipated releases in the EV world. As speculation about its price, specifications, and release date swirls, the ID.2 promises to bring Volkswagen's electric lineup to an even wider audience with its focus on affordability and practicality.
Before we delve further into our journey, we kindly invite you to subscribe to AutoSpecter, your gateway to automotive excellence.
Reports suggest that the ID.2 will be Volkswagen's entry-level EV, targeting a starting price of around €25,000. This aggressive pricing strategy is aimed at competing directly with budget-friendly EVs from rivals like Renault and Tesla's upcoming compact models. Despite its lower price point, the ID.2 is rumored to include cutting-edge features and excellent build quality. In terms of design, the ID.2 is expected to embrace Volkswagen's signature minimalist yet modern aesthetic. Leaked renderings hint at a compact hatchback with clean lines, aerodynamic efficiency, and bold LED lighting elements. Inside, it's speculated that the ID.2 will offer a spacious cabin with advanced infotainment, a digital cockpit, and eco-friendly materials. Performance-wise, rumors indicate a single-motor setup delivering around 200 horsepower, with a range of up to 400 kilometers, approximately 250 miles, on a full charge. The ID.2 could also feature fast-charging capabilities, allowing drivers to recharge up to 80% in just 30 minutes. If these specs hold true, the ID.2 could redefine expectations for entry-level EVs. Volkswagen has remained tight-lipped about the exact release timeline, but many experts believe the ID.2 will debut in early 2024, with production ramping up later that year. The car is likely to hit showrooms in 2025, marking a key milestone in Volkswagen's strategy to electrify its entire fleet by 2030. The 2025 Volkswagen ID.2 has the potential to make electric mobility more accessible than ever before. Combining affordability, style, and range, it could attract a broad spectrum of buyers looking for their first EV. Stay tuned for official announcements as Volkswagen prepares to unveil this game-changing addition to the ID family.